Add eggs to instant noodle pasta. In this recipe, you'll use it in a completely different way. Pour about 1 quart of hot water into a large bowl. Add vegetable seasoning and dried dill for a flavorful, aromatic base. Stir and add 2 blocks of instant noodles. Let them sit for about 5 minutes until the noodles expand. Meanwhile, prepare the egg mixture. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add pepper and other favorite spices. Mix well to create an egg mixture that will bind everything and add a creamy texture. Cut about 4 ounces of your favorite ham into small pieces. In a pan with a little olive oil, sauté the ham until lightly browned. Drain the noodles and transfer them to a bowl. Add the egg mixture, sautéed ham, and shredded yellow cheese. Mix everything well. Transfer it all to a heated pan with olive oil. Spread the noodles evenly and cover with a lid. Cook over low heat for 10 minutes. After that, add another layer of shredded cheese on top. Cover briefly until it melts. Finally, sprinkle with fresh parsley for color and freshness. Transfer to a plate and it's ready. A delicious noodle skillet bake you can make in minutes. Quick, cheap, and really tasty, perfect for lunch or dinner.